Why should you consider hiring WepTech Hub for your projects? Let us paint a picture of what sets us apart. 1. Unleash your vision. We pride ourselves on understanding and translating your ideas into captivating visual masterpieces. Whether it's a video that tells your story, a stunning website that showcases your brand, or eye-catching graphics that leave a lasting impression, we possess the expertise to bring your vision to life. 2. Unparalleled creativity. Our team is composed of highly skilled and experienced individuals who are not afraid to push the boundaries of creativity. We stay up to date with the latest industry trends, ensuring that our work stands out in a crowded digital landscape. From concept development to final execution, our creative prowess shines through in every project we undertake. 3. Cutting-edge technology. In an ever-evolving digital landscape, staying ahead of the curve is crucial. At WepTech Hub, we leverage the latest tools and technologies to deliver outstanding results. Our expertise in video editing software, graphic design tools, web and app development frameworks, and platforms ensures that your project receives the highest level of quality and innovation. 4. Tailored solutions. We understand that each project is unique, and we approach every client with a personalized touch. Our team takes the time to understand your specific requirements, objectives, and target audience. This enables us to craft customized solutions that resonate with your brand identity and propel your business forward. 5. Exceptional customer service. Your satisfaction is our top priority. We believe that strong client relationships are built on trust, transparency, and open communication. We work closely with you throughout the entire project lifecycle, providing regular updates, incorporating your feedback, and ensuring that your expectations are not just met, but exceeded. Ready to take your multimedia endeavors to new heights? Contact us today via WhatsApp at +237 6810 20400 and let WepTech Hub be your creative partner. Together, we will transform your ideas into visual masterpieces that captivate, engage, and leave a lasting impression on your audience. Experience the power of WepTech Hub and unlock the true potential of your digital presence.